Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find different statistics and information about a country in BeanApp. To do it, simply go to Explorer. In Explorer, you can find all different countries in different regions, like for example Africa, Asia, Europe, North America and stuff like that. I'll go to Europe and let's select, for example, Austria. Then you'll see what continent is it on, the flag, the United Nations status, the capital, and also the population, all of that. You can see also the extension for websites in that country and with .at, the currency, yearly statistics. There's quite a lot of them, like people per square kilometers, or surface area, land area. There's quite a lot of things here. I think it's worth looking at, especially if you're thinking about visiting a country but don't know yet, or if you want to visit it and learn more as well. You can also, if you already have been to a certain country, you'll see in timeline that that country has been visited on a certain time. And of course, orange indicates that it was just visited. For some countries, if you've lived there, you'll probably see it on green, which means that you've lived there. And yeah, that will be about it here. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.